A small term with mighty capabilities. E-commerce. We have all heard of this term, yet most of us are unaware of what it precisely is. With e-commerce, there's just so much to talk about, but throwing everything up in one video would just be a waste of resources. So in this video, I will give you a basic introduction of what an e-commerce is, and then we'll talk about some of its prospects that will help us understand it better. E-commerce is short for electronic commerce. Performing a little dissection of this term, we simply notice that by commerce we mean doing a business, and by electronic we mean using technology or generally the internet. So combining the two words, an e-commerce simply means doing a business over the internet. Simple, right? Well, there are layers of complexity inside it. Let's talk about the traditional process of a consumer buying a product first. The consumer first has to head over to the shop, search for a product he wants to buy, examine the product physically, possibly negotiate its price with the shop owner, then pay some money to get that product in exchange, perhaps along with a bill. Now, when you take this entire traditional experience and put it over the internet using a website or an application, it becomes an e-commerce. On an e-commerce platform, we can buy products at the comfort of our home. All we have to do is open the e-commerce website, search for the product we want, compare its price with other e-commerce websites, and if it suits to our liking, place the order for the product. The very same product will soon be delivered to us at our doorsteps. Now, let's get to the second phase of this video. We will now try to understand e-commerce a little bit better by discussing some of its prospects. Let us talk about communication first. By communication, we mostly indicate the communication regarding order information, available products, and user payments. These communications are majorly processed through telephone lines or computer networks. The second is the business process. Almost all of the e-commerce experience is automated on the platform itself. There are no physical people to take your order, or to give you the change for your money, or to give you an invoice. Everything is just a few button clicks away. Everything under the hood is just code and program, and not real people. The third prospect is the service offered by the platform. Service is how quickly and comfortably can a business handle your requests. These requests can be regarding anything: a problem you had with a product you bought, a query you have regarding a product you are planning to buy, etc. Talking about a traditional shop you bought a product from, if you had any problems with that, you'd have to spend some money on travel, let alone the time wasted to get to the shop, and then you'd raise a query for the issue. If that issue is not resolved in a few days, would you juggle between the shop and your house just to know the status of the issue? Certainly not. Then what will you do? You will probably use an e-commerce platform. Want to raise an issue? It is just a few clicks away. Want to know the status of the issue? Again, just a few clicks away. Now that you have been introduced to the basics of e-commerce, the next thing you need to know is the process of an e-commerce. The steps from an order being placed on the platform to the delivery of that order at your doorsteps. If you are interested in learning the same, you can click the link in the description or click on the I button on the top right corner of the screen. In the end, I thank you for watching this video. You can visit the channel to watch more videos on e-commerce. Make sure to subscribe to this channel to stay updated with the latest tech in the market. Goodbye, and I'll see you in the next video.